Today we have a 2020 Haas ST-15. Machine comes with a Haas servo Barfeed. It's got a parts catcher. It's got an 8-inch chuck on the main spindle, 5-inch chuck on the sub spindle, 12-position hybrid turret. Spindle's currently running at 1,000 RPM. Running a short little program here for you. Now it's up to 1250, 1700. That's 2000. Both speed, both main and sub are going the same speed. Yep, now it's down to 16. Back up to 2. Machine also has a tool setter. It's got a chip conveyor. Comes with this Royal roto rack. You can opt to purchase the roto rack with it or without it. Spindle liners go with it as well. Now we're gonna show you the parts catcher. That's the tool setter. All right, this machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.